was super excited to share this video. At the same time, I received a sad news. Hello and welcome, Mai's here. On this channel, I share my perspective on the connection between everyday life and art, expression as my everyday artwork, and inspiration for you to find your own creativity and make your everyday art. Today, I wanted to share one of my very first everyday art performances, which was done for my graduate thesis exhibit in 2008. I was super excited to share this video because I had the footage on the physical tapes for a long time but didn't have them as digital format. Finally, I took the tapes to a person who could turn them into digital files so that now I can share the video here with you. At the same time, I received a sad news that the school I went for my graduate study in fine art is permanently closing me. The making process started over a year before the performance when I started taking drawing paper to restaurants to collect everyday life memories of dining as a form of drawing or printmaking. I looked at this performance as self-portrait and felt that this was the first time I was able to express who I was at the time, from the idea to the final form of the performance and installation. The installation included 600 threads suspended in the air and 600 needles hammered on the walls, and I put each thread into a needle. Actually, my mom helped me for the work, which was a lot of work. The end of the threads was tied to the back of the dress, and the front of the dress was placed over a table as tablecloths, where I hosted a dinner for guests at the opening event of the exhibit. Everyone was invited to participate and share time conversations and memory with other random participants to create a temporary community through the gathering as art as experience. My learning at the San Francisco Art Institute was very special and meaningful. There, I started finding inspiration in everyday activities and my true self within. We are all different and unique individuals, and that uniqueness should be a great asset for the society. Mediums can be anything, and there is no one right way to do things. For me, food, gathering, and textile or clothing have been very important part of my life since I was a kid. The education at the school gave me an opportunity for self-reflection, awareness, and realization, and I was able to gain human and life skills. I just wanted to share a funny story after the performance. One of my colleagues at the school told me about the performance a couple of years later without knowing I was the artist who created it. Yes, I worked at the school after I graduated. I started working when I was a student and spent good 5.5 years there. So that's not the reason why I feel so sad about the school's closure. But things change and changes are inevitable. So I hope that future will be better. I will keep my learning from the school to contribute to the community and society as an artist and educator. On this channel, I share the learning experience with you as well. This video is not to show you how to make or do art like me, but I hope that this inspires you to look at your everyday life differently and find your meaning and yourself within your everyday activities. Okay, that's all I wanted to say, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please let me know what you think in the comment below, and here we go! If you are interested in learning more about everyday art, check out these videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!